This tried and true method of trigger point release, also known as the foam rolling or foam roller. Honestly, this is a go-to even when I'm traveling. So right now I'm rolling out the hamstring, and what trigger point release it does is it helps release the myofascial stickiness, the adhesion between the muscle and your skin, so everything glides properly. Yes, it can be painful, but typically hamstrings actually feel pretty good, like a deep tissue massage. Now, over here, I'm moving on to the IT band, which is probably the most painful part. And it's always going to hurt, and it never really softens, but it does feel amazing after you're done with it. You want to roll between your hips and your knees here, so you never really want to roll directly over your joint, although sometimes it feels a little bit good to put that pressure against the side of your hip. So now we have the quadricep. It might appear that both my legs are on there. I'm actually load bearing on just one leg, and that goes for the same on the hamstrings as well. Here you see me really getting into the inner quad and then also part of the groin area, which can feel really nice. We tend to forget the inner and the outer, or the medial and the lateral areas. So now I'm switching legs to get into the other side. Now, if you roll down toward the knee, that is probably the most tender part of your quadricep. And I highly recommend you get all the way down near your knee. So again, remember, you don't want to roll over your knee, but you want to increase that range of motion as much as possible in terms of the surface area that you cover here. So now I'm rolling the other leg, the IT band. Eventually you're going to get used to this, and it just hurts so good. And I know there's some controversy out there. You might see some professionals or experts in the field that say they're not a fan. I'm definitely one.